Hey, good morning. I'm Audrey the Thai. Yes, what they have for today? What they have for today? Yeah, today they will have a candle. It's candle procession ceremony. Why we have a candle procession ceremony? Because from the end of this month, we will have a Buddha land ceremony. Yes, yeah. You see, that's uh, okay. Where am I? I'm the center. Behind to them is the bank of governor. I'm the center of the Pittsburgh city. Yeah, I'm the center of the Pittsburgh city. Yeah, you see, they come with the Thai costume. They come with the Thai costume. Yeah, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful for the children. Yeah, the children. Yeah, they come the school around our city. Yeah. Right now I'm the Pittsburgh city. Where is Pittsburgh city? Pittsburgh city is the lower north of Thailand. The lower north of Thailand is Pittsburgh city. Yeah. And how far from Bangkok? Yeah. We are upper from Bangkok. We are upper from Bangkok about 300 kilometers, and we are the lower. We are the lower of the Chiang Mai. I think about 300 kilometers. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, everybody would like to say hi to you. Yeah, everybody would like to say hi to you. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Good morning. Yeah. Let's say good morning for everyone. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I'm so proud to show you. And where's the candle? Where is the Buddha candle or the candle procession ceremony? Yeah. The candle of the tuck is behind me. It's behind. I think it's all there. Yeah. And I will show you where's the candle and where's the candle. รถแห่เทียนพรรษาอยู่ไหนครับพอรู้ไหมผมไม่รู้เขาอยู่ฝั่งนู้นเหรอ Yeah should be another side of the river. Yeah, at the front of you is the river named Nan River. Yeah, and this is the palace where it's formed. It's a เทศบาลโคตรธรรมจักร or the Thamachak school. Yeah, they are so beautiful. They are so great. Yeah, you see, both of them. Yeah. How the palette, how the music. Yeah, I think that it's good for them. It's good for them. สวัสดีครับท่านรองครับสวัสดีครับ Yeah, it's good for them. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Okay, I would like to show you. What's that? Why is the yellow color? What's that over there? Yeah. This morning it's so sunny. This morning is so sunny. Yeah. It's so beautiful. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Okay. Yeah, and this is the gift we have to play to the monk. Yeah, because the of this month on the 30th of July is the day of our Buddha Lent ceremony. Yeah, okay, I'm so proud to show you. Yeah, it's good for us. Yeah. They are all this group. They are I mean they are the deputy of Pittsburgh municipality. She is her name is Long Mui. Yeah, and another one he's the deputy of the Pittsburgh parliament. Yeah, it's so beautiful. It's so the sun is look, it's bright. It's too strong sun. Yeah, and I hope everything is going good. I hope everything is going great. Yeah, and I worry about the children. I don't know maybe, yeah, you see, they are so cute. They are so cute. Especially this girl. Wow, she's so awesome about Thai dancing. About the Thai dancing, yeah, must be the president or the leader of the Pittsburgh City culture. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, yeah. Okay, I'm looking friend of mine, and I don't know where are they. I don't know where are they. Yeah, because they are the same. They are the same Thai costume. Yeah, they are the same Thai costume. Yeah, yeah, and the weather is too. I mean, the sun is too strong this morning, and before that is look cloudy. Before that is look cloudy, and right now, oh yeah, yes, yeah, she is. Yeah, she is. Yeah, she is my friend. She is my friend. Okay, yeah, yeah. Today is too many people, uh, especially the reporter and the photographer. Yeah, they like to uh, get the beautiful picture because. Oh, okay, 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 okay. Yeah, yeah. And right now, they stop to the center of the traffic light. Uh, the traffic light. This is our the center, the business of Pittsburgh City. Yeah, you see, and this. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, good morning, good morning. Oh, right here. อ้าววันนี้สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีค่ะ
ครับผมโอเคครับสวัสดีครับสวัสดีครับผมสวัสดีครับ yeah they are friend of mine they are friend of mine you see yeah they are like somebody is learning with my class or learning with my we call a third age the University of Pittsburgh yeah they are both of them they are same class of me yeah I'm so proud I'm so proud to show you like this is Thai culture and this is Thai culture. Most of us, I think, all of them is there. We have a Buddha. We have a Buddha religion. We respect in Buddha. Yeah, yeah. We respect in Buddha. Yeah, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Yeah. Okay. Right now, I will stop now, and after they start, I will show you. I will show you about the candle light ceremony. I mean the candle procession ceremony. Okay, thank you. The alarm. I mean the emergency for the all ambulance is coming. Yeah, yeah. They must through. Okay, okay, okay. See you later.